Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you're updated on all of our new videos, and you can fill out the form in the description below with any questions. Today, we're talking about a few tips to manage your fleet's efficiency. Okay, so let's discuss how you and your drivers can pass inspections with flying colors. Well, one way you can do this is by implementing a fleet management strategy and focus on evolving it to be as efficient and effective as possible. Honestly, it really requires a combination of technology and a good set of best practices that are followed to a T. There are four main topics we can discuss here. One, scheduling and optimizing routes, which can include things like using GPS data to track vehicles to avoid unexpected delays and reroute your drivers, or consolidating shipments to reduce the number of miles a truck spends on the road without a load. Two, come up with a fuel management strategy. This can be done by using telematics to track fuel consumption, using fuel cards to take advantage of discounts, and making sure that you're on top of preventative maintenance. Fuel is one of your highest operating expenses, and several small changes will lead to a lot of fuel savings. 3. Focus on the efficiency of your drivers by setting benchmarks and continuously monitoring and adapting their habits to improve. Implementing a driver training program here would apply. But make sure you are monitoring, analyzing, and rewarding good driver behavior and adapting and changing any bad behaviors. And number 4, optimize your loads and utilize all of your assets. This is really going to help your overall efficiency and improve profitability. Now I'm just brushing over these, but there's a lot more to what I mentioned, which you can find in the article linked above or below. Make sure to check that out or contact us if you need help getting started. Our custom PSM DOT compliance programs would be a perfect fit. That's all I've got. Again, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and send any questions using the form link in the description.